Hello guys, welcome to my channel Lunch Here, and here we are for unpacking of Kaspersky Internet Security 2020. So I bought this from Flipkart, and today only I received the package. So let's unbox it. Let's see what's there inside. So like this guys, so Kaspersky, you can see the package. So Kaspersky Internet Security, Flipkart India Limited, and this is a voucher card actually. So this is the back side. Actual MRP is 899. I got it for 299 from Flipkart. You can see hologram is already removed. So let's open it. So this one's quick start guide, internet security. So some how to activate a product and all. The information is given here. So let's see. It's only the voucher we have. Okay, you can see. Okay, so you can see here. So in the antivirus, only three options are there. Internet security, you get around 6 ticks. So you get a security, performance, simplicity, as well as you get PC, Mac and mobile, as well as it's written there. Privacy is here. Okay, and it protects your online banking and everything, all these stuffs. The things are not there. Parental control is not there, and kids safe passwords, it's not required actually. If you require, you can go for that, Kaspersky total total security. Okay, that's it. So let's go and install it on the computer. Okay, so guys, you can see already the Kaspersky is installed on my computer. Guys, you can see Kaspersky is already installed, and I am having a trial version right now. So let's activate it by using the code which I got. So this is 1 year 1 PC. So let me scratch it out. Okay, so let me enter the code. Okay, showing me the activate option. It's done. Activation code storage to prevent the loss. Single point of access to protection for all devices. Okay, additional opportunities for protection and management. So right now let's keep the this thing sign in. Activation successfully completed. Okay, you can see guys now 367 days. Okay, so this is scan database update. So it's being updated now. So it's updated. So I just wanted to show you the option which I liked and I buy this Kaspersky Internet Security for. So most of all I use this application control option which allows which allows and you can decide which application can connect internet or not. Say suppose you don't want to connect your Word, Office, Word, Microsoft to the internet and access the update. So you can restrict it. So you can just type Word. Yes, I think it's not there. Wait. I will type Microsoft. Not coming. Okay, see here guys, here it is Microsoft, everything is here. Okay, so Excel is there. You can just say network deny, so your Excel won't be able to connect to the this thing to take updates or whatever. You see Excel. So if I want to have a new template or something like that, see, I'm not being connected. So this is cool features I like about the Kaspersky. Other internet security also had it, but I find here it's very easy. So that's thing I chose it. And during gameplay also I can turn off and all the other processes which are consuming my internet, so I can restrict them. There is also in Windows also there is a firewall, but still I prefer Kaspersky's firewall. So that's it from my side guys. So if you have any questions about this internet security, please comment down below. I will reply you as soon as possible. Guys, please like, share and subscribe my new channel to encourage me to bring you more informative reviews. Thanks and have a nice day guys.